Hello, good day to all employers. My name is Rolinette Baltasar from Philippines. I'm 41 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I have four children, aged 21 years old, 10 years, 18 years old, 10 years old, and 6 years old. I have experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 2 years. I serve four members of the family, one couple and two children, aged 23 and 5 years old. My main duties are to take good care of the children, ensuring their safety. I assist them with their homework and project, teaching them how to practice proper hygiene habits. I can do household chores and ironing, cleaning, washing clothes, and gardening. I am a honest, diligent, and easy to communicate with. I am also multicaster on daily basis. And I am looking forward to learn new things for Yumi and to approve. I have them urgently serve for your family with care and love. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Hoping to see you and be part of your family.